We've got our Windows search dialog box up on the screen, and what we're going to do now is we're going to use our little doggy here. When you move over him, obviously his little tail wags and his eyes blink. It's all very Microsoft and very cute, but that little doggy there serves a purpose. What he's going to do is he's going to help us find our AutoCAD DWG files. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to use all files and folders here, and we can search by any of the criteria, all or part of the file name, a word or phrase in the file. We can also look at when it was modified. Let's say within the last week. I'm going to minimize that there. What size is the file? I don't remember, so I can leave it as don't remember and minimize that one there. And more advanced options such as search system folders. I don't want to search the system folders in this case. I don't need to search hidden files and folders either. I might be able to search a tape backup if we've got one running. I haven't in this case. All I'm going to do is search subfolders. Now, I'm going to minimize that now. And it says look in local hard drives. If I click on the down arrow there, I can actually go and search in a specific file or folder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my documents there, and I'm going to search for a particular file or folder type, which is going to be my DWG files. So if I put an asterisk, which is a Windows wildcard, and then put a dot, and then put a DWG like that, it's telling Windows to look for all files that end in .dwg. So let's do that now. I'm going to look in my documents for all files that begin with, or more importantly end with, in this case, .dwg. I could obviously put the asterisk at the end and search for files that begin with, let's say, abc.dwg, but as long as there's an asterisk in there, it's a coverall. So for example, I could put an A there. It will find me all of my DWGs that begin with an A. I don't want that in this case. I just want to find all of the DWGs. So if I hit search now, off it goes, and it's chugging through, going through all the files there, trying to find them for me. And as you can see, fingers crossed, it should find some drawings for me very shortly. But it does take its time. So you can see there the little doggy, he's working away, scratching his paws, and there's some DWG files already. So you can see there that it's finding those files very, very quickly. And it's chugging through all of my folders there. So I'm just going to stop that now. You don't have to sit and watch all of this going on. But as you can see there, it says there were 2 files found. Did you find what you wanted? Now these are files that have obviously been changed in the past week. And I know that they're files that have been changed in the past week because I've worked on them. I recognise the file names. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm actually going to close the search results and go back to my drawing. But as you can see there, Windows allows you very quickly and very easily to search for a file, whether it be a .dwg file, it could be a .doc file if it's a Word file, or an XLS file if it's Excel. But Windows allows you to search for your AutoCAD files and any other related files very, very quickly.